Hi, welcome to LuxVan. I'm Kit.
I'm Jeff.
And we're co-owners of Lux Fan, and we're based in the Bay Area. We're creating luxury comfort vans for those of you who are out in the market. Maybe you used to have a Westphalia and now it's time to upgrade a bit. So come have a tour. So this outdoor-indoor kitchen is one of my favorite features. The faucet bends around. You can have your very essential cappuccino maker happening on the outside. Prep, we carry our Instapot in here, so you can have prep happening, somebody at the induction burner on the inside. It's really a two-person kitchen that works super effectively. So come on in. We're super excited about this beautiful, spacious design. This full-size queen bed back here with memory foam mattress is cushy. Plus it has these 4 inches of stash space on either side, which makes it especially spacious. So love the bed, super comfortable bed.
The layout of this van is so cool because we've got room to do all our thing here. It kind of comes together in the middle. It's kind of feminine, you know, with a waist down here. But then the other thing that I really like about being in here with you is that because we're both sleeping lengthwise, we sleep in parallel.
And that means we don't have to climb over each other to get out of the bed in the middle of the night. Next thing I'm super excited about are these C shelves. These are custom made on our CNC router in the shop in Redmond, California, in the Bay Area. And they are all soft close, rounded, beautifully designed and crafted. Super nice shelves. These beautiful C cabinets have all these interesting stash spots. There's nothing up here now. We carry our binoculars up here, and these things you want to grab easily. It's deep enough to stash stuff and things don't fall out. So here, and the same design for the kitchen. Just adds all that very sleek but safe and secure extra storage space. This is our Lux Fan Panel. This panel automates and shows all the systems in the van. So everything can be touch automated right here. We have custom lighting in here, cabinet underlighting, transom lights, so you can have all that done right here. You can see the level of the van from here. And most importantly, I think, is you can see just in one eyeball the water level and the battery level. Super effective and helpful. There's lots of charge spots in here, stash space. This is our compostable separator toilet under here. Conveniently located, easy to use. Lots and lots of storage. Beautiful, full cupboard in here. Snack space, silverware. There's more space than you could know what to do with in here. Beautiful lighting system and all our sensors, more stash space. Beautiful cutting board, lifted up to show the deep sink. Lots of kitchen space. Filtered water system here. Again, the swivel indoor-outdoor kitchen, induction stovetop, all electric, no propane. Beautiful rounded cupboard, really nice on your hips. No bruises. Here's your space from the inside to the outside. And these are super cushy, comfy seats. They're already comfy for Mercedes, but then we've added more padding and reupholstered them. Super comfortable on those long trips. And the seats obviously turn towards one another to make almost like a couch setup. So this is one workstation that you can have if you're needing a bigger table. This comes with a bigger table at this spot. There's another option of a pull-out table for here, so this can be a workstation either on your computer or chopping for the kitchen. Comfort zone in the back as well for a hangout zone. Here's our spacious refrigerator tucked under here. In general, this design is just super spacious.
Well, so my name's Jeff Wright and I'm co-owner of LuxVan. And one of the things that I'm super excited to show you is the use of the various things that we're doing for sustainability and kind of the eco approach that we're taking to building this. And that really the biggest thing that we're working with is this plywood, this laminated bamboo. We're working with a supplier who's been in China for 35 years, and they've got their FSI certification that just guarantees absolutely lowest volatile VOCs. And since we're working with bamboo, of course, this is super sustainable because bamboo is simply grass. It grows up in the course of a couple of years, combined with the fact that it's really durable, and we expose a little bit of joinery so you can see what's going on. But ultimately, this is easy to clean, it's really tough, and you feel like you're not hurting the planet to use it. So yeah, let me show you our garage. I mean, this is the cool thing, and one of the reasons that we're very happy about having designed our Mercedes 170 Sprinter with a fixed bed is that we've got this amazing space in here that you can store anything. We've had inflatable boats, skis, fishing gear, tools if you happen to be on a job, if you're using this professionally that way. And in the garage on the left-hand side, we've got, it's just a nice cover that lets you hide the wheel well under there, but on the right side is really where the action is. And here you can see we've got the hot water heater wired so that whenever you arrive after you've been driving, you arrive with hot water, and it's plumbed for a shower to come out here and have an outdoor shower on the side of the door with a 20-gallon water tank ahead of that, and then 200 amp hours of lithium-ion batteries with all the charge control and everything on top of this. And as another statement towards sustainability, we've got 300 watts of solar panels on top of this thing. So that if you're out boondocking somewhere or going for a while without driving, you know that you can top your batteries off without any problem. There's 3 ways that we can charge the battery. You can charge from shore power, we can charge from 300 watts of solar panel that we have on the roof, and the thing that's actually great for the way we use it is it charges while you're driving. So we're connected to the alternator so that the battery, you always arrive at your destination, both with a full topped off battery and a tank of hot water. So yeah, we've also got an 80-20 track system and a shelf that we can install here so that instead of having to climb inside the van to reach whatever I've got, the whole thing comes out here about 4 feet, and then you can get right at whatever you've got. Yeah, it's great. It's ultimately flexible. Yeah, so we felt that it was really important, at least for our own lifestyle and the way that we want to use this, that we wanted to be in a vehicle that didn't draw a lot of attention. So we aim for a pretty incognito, unassuming presence on the outside, but that when you go inside the van, that you have the experience of being in kind of a nice hotel. One thing that we realized we needed to do was to upgrade the wheels that came standard on the Mercedes Sprinter. So we upgraded them with all-weather 18-inch wheels that are wider and stronger so that when you get a big load of gear in there for your long trip, you're not all over the road, especially in the snow and ice. Yeah, so if you have the chassis, Mercedes, a Sprinter chassis, 144 or 170, come on down and see us in the Bay Area, and we can fill it with a build that looks a lot like this. Yeah, thanks for coming by and checking out our van today.
At the Adventure Van Expo. We'll see you again soon. Come visit us at luxvan.net or in the Bay Area at our Richmond shop. See you on the road.
Bye.